Angels, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna be making myself some lip gloss. I've already made myself some lip gloss like last year when I was going to New York, but I want to make some clear ones with some little butterflies. I just show you guys the butterflies. So I wanted to just try something new. I made these like any time that I ran out of lip gloss or anything like that. I no longer buy lip gloss or anything. I make it all by myself. So the supplies that's going to be needed for this one is quick and easy. I'm going to show you guys two type of lip gloss that you can make. So the supplies is you're going to need a container so you can put everything in, some lip gloss, which I got everything from Amazon. You need a syringe, you're going to need some lip gloss container, you're going to need some coconut oil, you're going to need some flavor. By flavor, I mean like the scent that you want. Either you want strawberry, you want coconut, you want banana, vanilla, like it all depends on what you want. And I think that's it. If anything else, I'm gonna let you guys know. So first thing I'm doing is putting some lip gloss in this container that I have right here. Before I even start all of this, I already washed my hand. I already washed the lip gloss container and everything like that, since I've had these for a while. So I already washed everything, so everything is good. So I just put in some lip gloss in a container. I put a little bit of coconut oil. I don't really measure anything. I just use a little bit of coconut oil. This is the flavor that I'm going to be using, so it's going to be smelling a lot like lavender. Oh, Jesus Christ, your sister singing, yeah. Lavender. You saw the name of it. I'm getting so frustrated I can't talk. But yeah, that's the scent that I wanted. These are the little butterflies that I got from Amazon. So I was like, oh, this one looks so cute. Why not try something new? So that's what I'm doing right here. Now this is the last step. You just mix up everything together. If you feel like if you need more coconut, add more coconut. If you feel like if you need more scent, just add in any amount that you want to add in. And just mix up everything. Make sure it's nice and mixed. And that is how it's look. It's kind of thick. Not really thick, but yeah. So what I'm doing is just using my syringe, just vacuum it up. And that's how it looks in the syringe. You see the butterflies all over. It looks so good. And here's a little close-up of how everything looks. So next thing is I'm just going to be pushing it straight to the empty lip gloss container. So yeah. And that's how it's look. I needed the other syringe that has the longer tip, so it goes, when you put in the syringe, you just hit the bottom of any lip gloss container. Then if I had done that, then there wouldn't be any bubbles, there wouldn't be any space in there. But this is the only syringe that I had left over in my apartment, so that's what I use. But any other time, you just use the appropriate one. Just make sure it goes all the way down to the bottom. Now you just put in everything together, and that is how it looks. Doesn't look so good. You can see the little butterflies and everything. And yeah, these ones are so easy to just put on together. So that's how that one look. Yeah. So I'm going to be redoing this over and over and over. I think in all I made 10 of these, because I want to make sure that I have one in every bag. Just in case if I need any lip gloss, I already have it. So just in case the lighting was too bad, here's a little close-up of how I do it. That's what I'm talking about, the little bubble in the bottom. This syringe doesn't go all the way down the bottom. It just go halfway. So when you're pushing it down, it starts halfway. So there's bubbles and all of that mess. There's space in there, but it's okay. It's alright. Oh, by the way, when you guys are doing this, please use a glove. I didn't have any gloves. It doesn't really matter since I'm the only one that's going to be using these. So plus my hands are clean. I washed them before I started doing any of this. But yeah, just redoing the step over and over again. Using a syringe, put it in the bottle, put it in the tube, cover it up, and just like that, we got some nice clear butterfly lip gloss. I know that there's more stuff, like you have butterflies. What else did I see? I think I saw some hearts, some shapes. You have different shapes that you can use. But this is the second lip gloss that we're gonna do. I end up not using these lip gloss container because obviously, like I told you guys before, the syringe doesn't go all the way down to the bottom. It just go halfway, so it wasn't working out. So I got everything in this haul from Amazon. These powders right here, so I just pick whatever color I want the lip gloss to be. I wanted it to be like a nice little blush pink, so picking out the powder. Now it's time for glitter. I just add a little bit of glitter in there. Let the glitter so it can match up with the pink lip gloss. So that's the one that I chose. It's the exact same step that we did before. It's just different supplies that we're using. We're just using some powder, lip gloss powder, and some glitter. But it's the same thing. So now I have a different container and a brand new syringe. Now I'm picking out what flavor I want it to be. I decided to go with orange, the orange flavor. It smells so good. I need to get some different flavors like strawberry or something like that. But these are the ones that I had available. So that is what I am using. I'm not smelling up everything. Just kind of like deciding what I wanted. But I eventually chose the orange. It smelled good. So that is what I decided. Now it's doing the same thing. Put in some of the lip gloss in the little container right there. Just scooping it out with this little stick thing that I got. I use it for another video. Mixing. Add in your coconut oil. Add in however amount that you want. And that looks like a lot, but it's a little bit amount. Remember, I added a lot of lip gloss. Now I'm just adding the scent, which is the orange. And the next step is to add in whatever color that I wanted. Oh, not yet. But going with a light pink. You're just going to add a little bit amount. Remember, you don't need a lot. This is a lot of pigment, so it turned pink really, really fast. It's a nice, rich pink. The next step is to add in a little bit of glitter. You don't need to use glitter. You can just mix up everything right there and you'll be good to go. But I wanted to add a little bit of glitter, so that's what I did. By the way, I don't have any links for any of these stuff that I'm using because, like I told you guys already, I bought all this stuff before I went to New York, which was last year or the year before. No, I think it was last year. No, the year before last year. So I can't find a link to them or anything like that. But I'll write the name of everything that I'm going to be using in the description box below so that if you guys want to buy anything or something similar to that, then you can just simply get it. Get it. So yeah. Just a little tip, just in case you're using this. I think it's a 5-inch, 5 milliliter lip gloss bottle. And so put in a little bit, then squeeze the bottom just to spread it out, and then keep on adding on more lip gloss until you make it all the way up to the top, so that it doesn't have a lot of bubbles in there or anything like that. It doesn't, just like what I'm doing right here, just squeezing it and then just keep pushing it. You see how there's no bubbles or anything like that in there? So yeah. And now it's time to cover up everything. Put in that little stop and then cover it up. And just like that, we are good to go. I only made 2 of these. I prefer the clear ones. So these are just for a little flavor. But yeah, just like that, we finished with both of them. I'm just giving you guys a little close-up of how I'm doing it. So this is how everything turned out. This is how the butterfly clear ones turn out. And this is how the bubblegum pink one turned out. That's what I'm calling them, bubblegum pink. But this was what I'm talking about, the bubbles in there and everything. If I had a longer syringe, then I would have just full it out completely. But unfortunately, I did not. So that's why it looks like this. But yeah, giving you guys just a little bit of close up of both of them. In the pink one, if you look very close, you can see the glitters. I didn't want a lot, but if you want it to just like shine out, just add a little bit more glitter. But I just wanted a little bit, so just a little pinch, one little drop, and I was good to go. So I hope that you guys like this video, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.